check this hill out real quick first. See how it does going up the hill. It's starting to rain a little too. Shit. Alright. Just turn around. Yeah, about 11 and a half, 12 miles an hour. My fat ass on here. Loading 3, 12.7, 14.8, 15. What? 17. Car. Yeet. Yeah, I'd say average it's like 15, but like downhill on a fresh battery, I've gotten it to 19, 20. So, I mean, this little hill here is, yeah, 14 and a half, 13. It's not crazy fast, but and the brakes actually work pretty well. But if you're not leaning back, it will. Off-road, yeet. Go around the house. Alright, so yeah, 18.7 top speed, average speed 9.5. So yeah, not too bad considering it's a toddler bike.